Okay, Rhonda here with a tiny tip for you. I am going to show you today how I clean my paintbrushes. So I just finished painting with these today, so they've got lots of paint in them. And this is for acrylics. What I do is I will take one of the brushes and I go to my sink, turn the water on, just rinse it out a little bit. Then I've just got some regular Dial soap. Just squirt some of that in my hand and I rub it around. You can see that there's lots of purple coming out. So I'll rub it around, get that good and soapy, rinse it off again. And I do it again. Still coming off nice and kind of pinkish colored. It means I've still got lots of paint in that brush. Rinse her out again. And I keep doing that until I get to where it's just nice white lather. Like that, there's nice white lather. And I make sure I rinse all the soap out of my brush. And that one's clean. Then that one can be dried. One other thing that I will sometimes do if I happen to forget to wash my brush and it dries, this one isn't dry because I just used it today, but I will just take some hand sanitizer. This is like 70%, yeah, it's the 75% ethyl alcohol. I'll just take some of that, pop it in my hand. Usually don't need quite that much, but, and you just rub your brush in that and it will draw all that color that was in there out of there. It doesn't show up real well on this one because this brush was actually just used today. But if I have a dried out brush, that will bring that color back up to the surface again. That's with acrylics. And then I can use it again and I proceed with my regular washing. And then I just take my brushes and I put them somewhere safe to dry. I actually have a little thing that I put them in. And then the other thing I sometimes will do is I will sometimes dip them in my extender medium. And that just helps them keep their shape in between paintings. So that's what I do to clean my acrylic brushes.